Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you two easy methods of preventing plantain from ripening too quick. These tips will help you prevent wastage, save your money and keep your plantain from ripening too quick. First method, you peel your plantain nicely, wash them up thoroughly and cut them to your desired shape, exactly how you would want to cook them later. This can stay in your freezer for as long as you want to. If your freeze is very cold, you can also put it in the fridge. But what you would do when you're taking it off from the freezer, you don't keep it to defrost before cooking. Take it off from the freezer and put it directly to the fire. Like that, is still fresh and perfect for you. Even if it's a ripe plantain, still apply the same method. You peel them up, cut them to your desired shape, put it in your freezer. When you want to fry them, take it off from the freezer and fry directly. Don't keep them to defrost. So now I was cutting them to the desired shape I would want to prepare whenever I want to make use of it. So feel free to cut them to your desired shape. Hi there, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any post, and always come back for more. So when you're done cutting them, you place them in your Ziploc bag and put it in your freezer. This can stay as long as your freezer is working. If your fridge is a very cold one, your fridge works perfect, it still works perfect. But like I said, when you're taking it off the fridge or freezer, put it directly to the heat. Remember, this video is for 2 tips, so keep watching to see the second tips on how to prevent your plantain from ripening too quick. Now the second method is even easier. You place a whole unpeeled plantain in a bowl. Add enough water to completely cover them, just as you can see. And after that, you keep them in a cool, dry place. This can stay for as long as 5 to 7 days. And that's it. 2 simple methods to keep your plantain fresh and prevent them from ripening too quick. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, drop a comment, like, and always come back for more. Bye guys.